the key information that we need to know is anything that we intend to cancel or get rid of, we need to do the inverse operation. So here it is, the inverse operation. So let's look at this. 2x equals 6. We need x to be by itself. X is being multiplied by 2. Therefore, we will divide by 2 because x is multiplying to 2. Then we could divide by the 2, which is the inverse of what 2 is doing. And then we balance the equation by dividing the other side by 2. Here, 2 cancel 2. 2 into 1, 2 into 6, 3. This means that x is equal to 3. Sorry. Let's look at another one. Okay, so we're looking at, say, x plus 7 is equal to 10. Well, same thing, the inverse operation. X plus 7. How do we cancel the 7 or get rid of the 7? We minus 7. But whatever we do to one side, we do it to the other side. So we'll minus 7 from the other side. At this time, these two will cancel out. So x is equal to 10 minus 7, which is 3. What does this mean for the math? It simply means that if I should plug 3 here and work it out, then 3 plus 7 will equal to 10. The solution is 3. Let's look at another case. Okay, so what if we're looking at 4y minus 2 equal to 10? Okay, what value it is such that 4 times that value and you take 2 from it, we get 10. Well, the bottom line is, let's do this one at a time. Let's get rid of this 2. There is an idea that is called zero pair, which means that what could be added to negative 2 to give us 2? Or what's the inverse of adding, of subtracting 2? A minus 2, the inverse is to add 2. But whatever we do on one side, we have to do the same thing on the other side. We add 2 to the 10. This part here would become 0. So 4y is equal to 12. Now, at this time, what we want to do is to get y to be alone. So we'll divide this by 4, because 4 is multiplying to the y. We divide by 4, and then we divide the other side by 4. Y is equal to 3. All right. All right, let's look at another question here. All right, let's say we're looking at 14 is equal to 10p plus 4. Okay. Now, what we want to do here is to get rid of this 4 here. All right? We want to get rid of this 4. So basically, what's going to happen is that 10p plus 4 will minus 4 from this side. But whatever you do to one side, you have to do the same thing to the other side. So I'm going to minus 4 from the left side. This side becomes 10, which is now equal to 10p. So let's look. I have 10 is equal to 10p. What is this 10 here on the right side doing to p? It's multiplying. Therefore, the inverse of multiplication is to divide by 10. Whatever you do to one side, you do the same thing to the other side. We divide by 10. As you could see, the 10 cancels itself here, leaving 1, 1p. 10 cancels itself here, leaving 1. 1 is equal to p. So as you could see, our answer is p is equal to 1. What does that mean? Well, let's check back what we had up front. It simply means then if I should plug 1 here, where p is, then 10 times 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So it means then my solution is correct. Okay, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed.